Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and today I'll be making a fantastic Father's Day card. If you'd like to make one, I'm happy to share how. I'm cutting out some foliage out of basic black cardstock using the Forever Flourishing dies. Next, I'm die cutting the three main floral shapes out of basic white cardstock. By die cutting the blank images first, and then stamping using the Stamparatus, I get perfect stamped and die cut images every time. Ink the stamps, close the door and press evenly, and voila, perfect! Add watercolor pencil to the shaded areas of your stamped images to take them to another level. I'm stamping the sentiment Happy Dad Day on a piece of soft succulent cardstock. And I'm using Evening Evergreen for my card base. I've embossed a narrow panel of basic white cardstock with the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder. Apply an adhesive sheet to the back of your cardstock before cutting off a sliver. I'm using glue dots to assemble the foliage. A few well-placed dimensionals help pop up the foliage. A black baker's twine bow applied with a rolled up glue dot finishes off the card. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below. More details can be found over on my blog at